or TBL for short. You might be wondering why your class is structured this way. Hopefully by the time you are done with this quick video, you'll have good insight into the benefits of TBL. The biggest thing to know about TBL is that you'll be very active and hands-on with course content. The essence of TBL is captured in the words of Aristotle. For the things we have to learn before we can do them, we learn by doing them. TBL, a collaborative learning strategy, will continually engage you, the learner, and your teammates in deep and complex problem solving that promotes the application of course content, while also making sure individuals and teams are prepared for this work. TBL is structured to avoid typical issues with group work, such as not doing your fair share of the work, splitting up work to avoid interaction. This is also not a classroom where you will sit and listen to your instructor for the majority of class time. In TBL, lectures are kept to a minimum, and most of your class time will be used doing creative, complex, and fun problem-solving applications with your team. Compared to other classroom formats, like lecture-based, research has shown that student learning and academic performance improves with active learning methods, including TBL, and also increases students' level of engagement in the class and with course content. TBL is different from other group work because teams are permanent. Why? Science. It can take anywhere from 4 to 6 months to become a high-powered team. Hence, it is imperative that teams are permanent so that you have ample time to get to know your teammates, develop cohesion, and build trust. It is through active learning with your team, which includes collaboration, discussion, and problem solving, that the magic happens. You learn together, and what you learn is being reinforced through teamwork. TBL provides a great opportunity for you to continually practice your interpersonal skills. This will be particularly useful in the workforce as employers increasingly want employees with a strong set of soft skills, such as teamwork, communication, conflict management and negotiation, creativity and agility, and ethical decision-making. In short, having well-developed soft skills becomes an additional asset on the job market. What is the TBL process? The TBL process consists of 3 main components. The first component is outside preparation. Think of this component as learning the basics outside of class. Outside preparation may consist of reading, such as textbooks, journal articles, or websites, or watching videos so that you can learn the key concepts and main ideas that you will then be applying in class. The second component is the readiness assurance process. Think of it as akin to a pre-unit or module quiz. It consists of multiple choice questions you will first take individually. Then you will take the same exact rap with your team. After these 2 parts wrap up, traditionally your team will have an opportunity to appeal questions. For example, your team may have a strong argument based on course content that your team's answer is more appropriate compared to the answer chosen by your instructor. After the wrap, your instructor may give a mini lecture to clarify any course content that seemed problematic or unclear during the wrap. The third component is applications, where you will spend most of your class time. Here, you and your team get to use those basics and apply them to real-world problems in creative ways. Working in a permanent team may be new to you, as well as some part of your grade coming from teamwork. So you may sit in class on the first day and wonder how TBL might influence your own academic performance, which is natural. It's okay. Research has shown that in TBL classrooms, the team actually outperforms individual team members. Moreover, teams have been shown to outperform even the highest scoring student in class. You might also have concerns about potentially having a teammate who does not do their fair share of the work. As part of team-based learning, you will be asked to evaluate the contribution of your team members. Why? Peer evaluations of your team members are an important component of the TBL process because all team members are responsible for the success of their team. The most successful teams collaborate and have engaged team members. Peer evaluations therefore help ensure team accountability. To pull it all together, team-based learning is a collaborative learning approach that has been shown through science to benefit you as a student. If you are new to TBL, we encourage you to trust the process, embrace the challenge, and have fun. This will be a new way to learn. It may feel a little scary or overwhelming, but remember, Research tells us you will actually learn more, even if it does not necessarily feel like it at the time. Moreover, study after study in multiple disciplines tell us that students prefer and enjoy TBL more than other methods of teaching and learning. So, by the end of the academic term, we hope you join the chorus of TBL students who have engaged in active learning to bolster their knowledge and skills